Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the Star Group. We will explain how to make 11 AA. My name is Putri Natasha.
My name is Fitri Nohalisha.
My name is Osman Karyawak.
My name is Saibata Samia.
My name is Muhammad Deni.
11A eggs are one of the snacks that are so popular and favorite by many people because of their delicious taste and affordable price. 11A are dominated by a salty savory taste that is parallel from the basic spices, namely onion and garlic. Here is how to make 11A eggs, which you can make yourself at home.
Ingredients: wet flour, leeks, 1 egg,
Real eggs, chicken eggs, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 spring onion, pepper, chicken raiko,
cooking oil,
And water.
Steps. First, finely slice carrot and leek. Puree garlic, salad, and pepper.
Second, prepare the wheat flour, then add the spices that have been mashed. Add 1 egg, water, carrot, leeks, roiko, and stir slowly.
Third, turn on the fire and heat the mold.
Fourth, give 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to add small. Let it add fish then fry.
When the dough is half cooked, add the boiled eggs, 1 by 1, at a time.
Six, don't forget to turn it so that the top egg is cooked. Finally, serve on a plate.
Well, that was all the procedure you need to make an elephant egg. Good luck, thanks for watching, and see you!